This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Diane Waldron. Plantation, Somerset. Amazing home inside and out. The Summerwood floor plan features 3 bedrooms plus den, 2 full baths, heated pool, salt water and expanded covered/screened lanai. Open concept living with upgrades, tile flooring in main living areas, 0 corner sliding doors open to the private outdoor living space. The spacious kitchen features a large island, upgraded stainless steel appliances and step-in pantry. Spacious primary suite has pool view, large walk-in closet, oversized shower. Large laundry room, counter with sink and cabinets. Somerset at the Plantation is a gated community with resort-style pool/spa/lap. 3 large workout rooms, community room and more. Tennis, pickleball and bocce ball. Private membership to Herds and Fry Championship 18-hole golf course/club membership. Great location in the new Fort Myers for shopping, dining, beaches and easy airport access. For more information, review the details below.